Hi students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the general knowledge quiz 3. First one is literature. Take the correct choice from the brackets. The dash was scheduled for Friday morning. Duel, D-U-E-L is the correct one. The meaning is fight. They already scheduled the fight for Monday morning. The second one is the dash of elders were to meet under a banyan tree to decide his fate. The correct spelling is C-O-U-N-C-I-L. This is a council, like a parliament council. They decide something in that council. So the correct one is the council, C-O-U-N-C-I-L. The third one, the dancer waits for the teacher to give the beat with the symbol S-Y-M-B-O-L, and another one is C-Y-M-B-A-L. The teacher used to give the jadi for the dancer. So the dancer or wait the jadi. So it's a symbol C-Y-M-B-A-L. The fourth one, I was very dash about his capacity to complete the work on time. The right one is the septic, S-C-E-P-T-I-C is the septic, and another spelling they gave S-E-P-T-I-C. The right one is S-C-E-P-T-I-C. The meaning of the septic is doubt. I was doubt about my work. It will be complete or not on the time. So fifth one is the doctor could not locate the dash to give the injection. The doctor could not locate the vein. V-E-I-N is the nerve. Is the vein. Another name of the vein is the nerve. The doctor could not find the nerve. Okay, mathematics and science. Fill in the blanks. The first one, butane is a gaseous fuel. It is one type of gas. So it's a gaseous fuel. The second one is Coke is made by distillation of coal. Coke, this is not our drinking Coca-Cola. This is the fuel. It will made by the distillation of coal. And the third one, wood is burned to make charcoal. While we burn the wood, we will get the charcoal. And the fourth one is 101 square. While we multiply the 101 into 101, we will get the answer 10,201. And the fifth one is 49 square. While we multiply the 49 into 49, we will get that answer 2,401. And the sixth one, they gave the area of the square 50 centimeter square, and the length of the diagonal we are going to find. The area of the square formula is equal to A square, and the A square is equal to 50 centimeter square. A is equal to square root of 50, and the 50 will be changed like this, square root of 2 into 5 into 5, and we will get the answer A is equal to 5 square root of 2 centimeter. And we are going to find the diagonal. The diagonal formula is equal to A square root of 2. We already found the answer for A, 5 root of 2. So 5 root of 2 into 5 square root of 2 into square root of 2, and then we will multiply it. We will cancel the square root, get the answer 5 into 2. The answer is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, this is social studies. What was the name of the living creature sent in Sputnik 2? It's a Laika, the dog. They used to send the dog in that space, to the space. And then where was India's first artificial satellite designed and built? Space Research Center, Bangalore. The satellite is the Aryabhata. It's the first satellite. The third one is, where is India's rocket launching base? Tumba in Kerala is the India's rocket launching place. And then fourth one is, what was the name of the trading company set up by the English traders to trade with India in the 17th country? While we are ruled by the Britishers, they started the companies, the English East India Company. Fifth one, what were the followers of the religious reform movement introduced by the Martin Luther called? Those who followed the Martin Luther religious rules, they are called the Protestants. And the general knowledge, they gave the 4 pictures of animals: lion, tiger, and then elephant, rhinoceros, one horn rhinoceros. And they are as a sanctuary in and then a state. Mudumalai sanctuary is famous for the elephant. It is in Tamil Nadu. And then Gir forest, it is famous for the lion, and it is in Gujarat. And then Kaliranga, it is famous for one horn rhinoceros, and it is in the Assam. And then Ranthambore, it is famous for tiger, and it is located in Rajasthan. Thank you, students. We will meet the next class.